Junk Busters, we're here for another job. Here we go. Yep. We're gonna bring up the largest chest of drawers you've ever seen. In fact, I don't even know if two of us can get it. Let's just see. Let's see if two of us can get it. We might need a third person.
I think we might need 5 people actually.
A 5-person job, like a hot tub. Alright. This is it. The largest chest of drawers ever.
Alright, I'm going to be in your way.
Oh, you're fine. You can go relax. We'll let you know when we're all done.
Okay. Should I make the check out to Junk Buster?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Oh, okay.
I don't want to go backwards.
Hey,
Why do you have a golf club in there?
Never know when you want to go golfing. Okay, let's go.
This huge disc.
Can I do that? All right. Junk busted. Okay.
They're like, what is going on now?
All right. Why don't you grab these slats?
What is this?
Who's your friend?
That is weird.
Why don't you grab these wood slats? And we'll... Yeah, there you go. And I will grab that. Felt like I was yelling at her, telling her to go away, go away. Just go sit down. Just get out of here. Get out of my way.
I can take 2.
Take 2. Then I will take 2. Hey, Susan?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is fine to keep open? Okay.
Yeah.
This one. This is fine to keep open?
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
Maybe when you're done too, I could ask for an estimate in the future when and if I sell
Yeah.
for the couches and probably the
Of
couches are the big ones. Okay.
Yeah. Well, yeah.
Sounds good. Thank
That's
you.
great, yeah.
Yeah, but I heard something moving down here.
Yeah, probably do.
No. Did someone move down here?
No. Watch this. Watch this. Everyone watching. Everyone be kung fu fighting. I'll take this.
What the heck?
Now, okay. You take those up very carefully. I will keep disassembling this. I want to take the top off. Man, they don't make them like they used to, do they? All right,
What
ready?
the? That was the desktop.
Huh?
Imagine if this was the desktop.
It's paper.
What the? It's trash. I mean, it's junk.
Well, that's why I'm jumping. Oh, can you hold that top? Sometimes you got it busted. Busted. Busted.
I thought it would all fit in here.
It's good. It's good. It'll be fine.
It might not fit.
No, no.
We might have to bungee cord some
Cliffhanger. Cliffhanger, it may not fit.
stuff. Or we'll just have to walk home with it.
Whoa. Take the bus. Take the bus with it. All right, good. Those things.
What
Those small
thing?
pieces over here. Over here.
Oh.
Yeah, underlay.
What?
Okay.
Are
Let's
we
go.
taking the TV?
Nope. Nope.
There you go.
And then we come back, mattress, box spring, and,
Oh, we have a little void
and we're done.
air conditioner. Or air filter. Ah. Junk busted. Like, imagine if our neighbors are just watching us. See? They have a big window.
Oh, they probably are.
I would.
Alright.
Yeet. Oh, look how many stains.
It's nice little junk. It's nice junk. Nice junk.
Would you sleep
Don't
on it?
criticize the junk.
Would you sleep on it?
Don't criticize the junk.
We're gonna
Oh,
offend.
let's make some handles.
We're gonna offend.
Let's make some handles.
We're gonna offend someone.
Someone's gonna be offended.
Yeah.
Someone is always offended. No matter what you do. Handle.
Wow.
Handle.
5-minute crafts.
Done. Always.
Put a counter in how many times you
Oh.
said handle.
Handle. Handle. 30. Always bring your pocket knife. Always. You will need it on 3/4 of your jobs. It's a Swiss made. Nice piece of art. Or furniture. It's hard to tell. You know, it does have the manufacturer's name on it here. So I think it's Swiss. Okay, let's go. Let's go get paid.
Let's just double check.
Double check everything?
Yeah.
Always double check your work. Always.
Yeah, but it was my idea, not yours.
Always double check with the double checker.
Huh? Is
So
this
if I'm the
going?
double checker, you always gotta double check it.
Is this going?